Kumusta po kayo mga kakanto? Good morning! Good morning and God bless us! Today ay ibabahagi ko naman sa inyo ang ginawa kong compilation video ng mga precious memories ni ShalaMove Rider, my wifey and my lady rider. Ito ay nangyayari bandang second quarter ng year 2022 after na ng mga lockdowns at mga mahihigpit na health protocols. Usually ay ginagawa ko naman ang mga ganitong family video upang i-archive lamang sa YouTube para balik-balikan. Hanggang sa dumating ang di inaasahang pandemic. Ito ang naging daan para ang dating private at family exclusive na channel ko ay nag-transform sa isang public channel. Tara at tunghayan natin ang video compilation ni ShalaMove Rider.
Some food in you. Step 3, you grow hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah.
unboxing my hubby's birthday and Mother's Day gift. This is the Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G, and then may 1+1 extended warranty, meaning 2 years na ang warranty nitong unit. So, ito na nga, tinanggal ko na ang plastic. And then again, buksan na natin. I'm so excited! So, let's open it. Dahan-dahan. Diyan! Okay, so first, ito yung SIM ejector pin. And then sa loob is yung jelly case na free. It comes free with the phone. Okay, and then the manuals. Ayan. And here's the unit itself, the Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G. Look at that baby. Oh, okay, let's open na. Let's remove this plastic. Ayan, may mga nakalagay pang description sa mismong plastic. But, wow, look at that. The color is graphite gray. That's the color I've chosen. And look how smooth, diba? Ang ganda, napaka-classy tignan. Para na siyang high-end phone. Oh, there's the charging port. There you go. Lapag na natin para mas mabisa. Okay. Let's check the other things inside the box. Alright, here's the charger. This is super charger nga pala. It's 67 watts. Super fast charging. And then the cable, as you can see. Balik natin sa box kasi hindi pa naman natin i-charge. Disclosure lang, mga Zai. Hindi ako expert sa pag-review ng phones. I will just give you the specs of the said unit. So, this Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G, of course 5G na siya. Meron siyang RAM na 8 plus 3 GB at ang CPU niya is Snapdragon 695 octa-core max 2.2 GHz. And then yung internal storage niya is 128 GB. Makikita nyo naman yan sa settings sa about phone. And then meron siyang triple camera, 108 MP, 8 MP, and 2 MP. Yung selfie camera naman niya is 16 MP. And then going back sa charger niya, as I've said, it's 67 watts, 50% charging in 15 minutes and 100% in 42 minutes. So, di ba, napakabilis niya. Super AMOLED na rin ang display niya and Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Ang fingerprint sensor niya is nasa side, okay? I'm so happy with this unit. Thank you so much for this, hubby. Love you. I really appreciate it. That's it, guys. Love you. Please watch this vlog. Bye!